In this video, you'll learn how to uninstall Claude Code completely on a Windows operating system. By following these steps, you will ensure that all components associated with Claude are removed from your system. Begin by closing all terminal applications that may be running Claude. This includes PowerShell, Visual Studio Code, Git Bash, or any other command line interface that could be executing Claude. Open files can lock the command line interface executable, preventing a complete uninstallation. Next, locate the CLI executable for Claude. Official installations typically reside in the directory at C, users your name, app data, local programs, Claude. To delete this folder, you can use PowerShell. Open PowerShell and enter the command remove item-recurse-force $n valocare programs. This command will remove the entire folder, effectively deleting the CLI itself. After removing the main executable, you will need to delete the user configuration files. Claude stores its settings, API keys, and command history in a hidden folder located at C. Uses your name, Claude. To remove this directory, execute the command remove item-recurse-force $n USO profile, Claude in PowerShell. This action will delete all saved API keys and command history associated with Claude. Following that, you should remove any environment variables related to Claude. If you've set the effect_API_key or any other Claude related variables, you can clear them using the commands set xat. After executing these commands, close and reopen PowerShell to ensure the changes take effect. To verify that the variable has been removed, you can use the command echo $n anthropic_ap_key, which should return an empty result. Next, if the installation added Claude to your system path, it is necessary to remove it. To do this, retrieve the current path variable using the command $old path. Then filter out the Claude entries using the command $new path equals $old path-split, where objected $_not match Claude entry join up. Finally, update the path variable with environable path $new path machine. It's advisable to restart your computer to apply these changes effectively. To verify the complete removal of Claude, open a new PowerShell session and type Claude-version. If the uninstallation was successful, you should see the message Claude is not recognized as an internal or external command, confirming that Claude Code has been fully removed from your system. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.